Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. I wanted to do some Crash Bandicoot plushies ever since the reworked Crash Team Racing was released, and while I'm waiting for fabric for Wumpa Fruits, I had Aku Aku requested, and I'll have to make his evil brother soon. Here's a list of everything you'll need. The material can be changed, but the feathers may need extra support if you do. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is linked in the description and it's for free from my DeviantArt. Follow the key in the top left and scale it to an A4 piece of paper. The first thing you need to do is to take two of the matching colour feather pieces and place them with the tracing showing and join them together. When you reach the end of each dip, go in a little further to make them more pronounced. When you've nearly reached the end, flip it the right way up and then close off the open end with an invisible stitch. Repeat for the remaining 3 feathers. Take the 2 brown rectangles that align with the top and join them together along one of the longer sides with the 2 short feathers on either side and the large feathers in the middle so that they point towards the side with no tracing. Then, join the 2 green beard pieces together so that the side with tracing is showing, leaving enough gap to flip. Once it's flipped upright, close off the open edge with an invisible stitch. Take the 2 brown bottom rectangles and begin sewing them together along one of the longer sides. In the centre of the 2 rectangles, tuck in the beard so it points towards the side with no tracing and sew it in. After that, take 2 of the 4 red brow pieces and sew them together with the tracing facing up. When you're nearly at the end, flip it upright and then close off the gap with an invisible stitch. Repeat with the last 2 pieces. For the mouth, take one of the red lip pieces and on the side with no tracing, place the white teeth in the centre and join it on with a backstitch or running stitch. Using black thread and a backstitch, sew a line through the middle and 3 lines in the top and bottom to create 8 teeth. Draw on the side with no tracing to help guide you to help keep it even. Once you're done, place the two red lip pieces together with the tracings showing and begin joining them together. Once done, flip it the right way up and finish with an invisible stitch. Take one of the main brown face pieces and join one side of the two side pieces. Then, join the other side. Then, join on one side of the top. And one side of the bottom. Use a running or backstitch to join the green eye pieces to the side with no tracing. Sew the nose below this. Above the green eye backs, join the yellow eye pieces above them. Use an invisible stitch to join the mouth below the nose. And lastly, use the same technique to join the brows. Once the face is complete, begin joining each corner together. And finally, join the back piece on so that only the tracing sides are showing. When you've nearly reached the end of the sewing line, flip it upright, stuff it, and conceal with an invisible stitch. And that is how you make an Aku plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!